Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button down here, and if you are, just subscribe button for coming back. It's really appreciated. So coming to you with good news. It's an unboxing video, and this is what we'll be unboxing. So I already used this, so at least I'll be doing a review of something that I know about. It's the Ramtons wet and dry vacuum cleaner that I got from a shop on Facebook. I can't really remember the name, but it was in a dingy place. That is why I'll not be telling you where I got it. But when you go to Facebook Market and search for the Ramtons wet and dry vacuum cleaner, you will get it there. So I got this for 11,500. It was on offer. Yeah, I have been having this for like 2 months, just using it so I can give you like a good review. So let's do the unboxing. So I'll be showing you guys exactly how to connect this, because when I got it, I went through a lot. So it comes with a user manual, which was not very clear for me. I had to watch some YouTube videos. That is why I'm doing this. So the first thing that you will see is this. I think it's a hose pipe. Then there is a metal pipe that you can extend. It comes, when you get it from the box, it's this small, so you can extend it by pressing this. Then you extend it. Oops. Okay. Yeah, so you push this forward, then you extend it, then you attach it onto which side? Onto this side that has this of the hose pipe. Then we have the vacuum cleaner. So this is the lid of the vacuum cleaner. It has a very long pipe. I think it's like 2 meters. Then we have a filter. I have been using it. That is why it looks like this. You just attach it there. Then we have the heads. This one is for floors and carpets. Then we have this for washing with water. This is for dry surfaces to remove the dust, and this is for using with water. Then we have this for your couch and your furniture. This one, the small one. So yeah, you can use this to clean your seats. That is why I got it, because I was thinking if I have to pay cleaner 6,000 every day to wash my white seats, my almost white seats, then in 2 months I can afford to get this. So I usually, like, every 2 months I wash my seats with this. Then we have the filters now, what you attach to this here. So we have this, it's wet because I just washed it. So this is for dust when you're using on dry surfaces. And then when you're cleaning with water, we have this other filter. Then now we have the vacuum cleaner bucket, if that is what we call it. When it comes, these things have been detached, so what to do is just attach them. So I'll put everything together. That's it, guys. Then I use a manual that I do not know where I placed it, but it's fine. So I'll put everything together. Where can I place you guys? I'll place you here. Then we clean my sitting room. We dust my sitting room, so that you can see how everything works. And so far so good, guys. Like, I cannot complain. So I'll be attaching the one for, is it dry enough? It should be completely dry, but for this video I'll just use it like that. I don't know if it will trap the dust completely, but it's fine. So you just put it on like that. It's so easy to set up. Then you put it in. Then you can lock this. Then you'll be able to carry this around. With the wheels, it's so easy to move it around. Then we attach our hose pipe. So this is a hose pipe. Just place it back here so you can see where you attach this. There's a hole here. I don't know if you can see. Then there's a groove. You put it in, just put it in, like no pressure. You put it in, yeah, just like that. Then you turn it. Then we want to clean our carpet, and like we say, this is what you use to clean the carpet. So you place it there. Then you extend this to make it long kabisa. And guys, imagine we're just done setting it up. So I'll connect this to the sockets. yeah guys, basically that's all you need to know about the vacuum cleaner. So we'll clean the carpet together, then I'll give a small review, do's, don'ts, pros, cons, then it will be the end of this video. So to put it on, there is a button over here. You just press it like that. It's so noisy, but does the work. Like, I can give it an 8 out of 10. So the button has a plus and a minus sign. It will depend on the amount of vacuum that you want. So I usually put it on maximum, just to do the maximum work. So you can see the cord is so long. I placed it on that other side, but it's still there. That is how you use the vacuum cleaner. Plug and play, so easy. Yes, it cleans the carpet, it cleans the seat. I will be sharing a video of me cleaning my seat and my house later in another vlog, but not today. But guys, I can, apart from the pros is your house is going to become dust free. You'll not have to hire cleaners to clean your seats and your house for you, unless you're so tired and lazy, then you can hire someone to do it for you. But if you have time, you can always do the cleaning for yourself. And it's easy to use, it's user friendly. However guys, a con, it's so big. So I thought it was going to be a small thing, but it's so big. That is the only thing that I don't like about it. Otherwise, loving this for myself. As you all know, I am allergic to dust, and it has been saving me a lot, money wise, health wise, and I think it was a good investment for my house. What do you think, guys? Do you use a vacuum cleaner? Would you get a vacuum cleaner for yourself? If you're thinking of getting a vacuum cleaner, then definitely you should get a vacuum cleaner.